Hello friends, I am Chandan. Today's topic is Clausius inequality. So what is the formula of Clausius inequality? That is cyclic integral of del q by t always less than equal to 0. That means cyclic integral of del q by t always less than equal to 0. So this is the Clausius inequality. This formula is very important. Now if cyclic integral of del q by t less than 0, then this process will be, or this is possible and irreversible engine. So if cyclic integral of del q by t less than 0, then this is possible and irreversible. This is happen only for possible and irreversible engine. Possible and irreversible engine. Reversible engine. Okay. Now second is that here cyclic integral of del q by t is equal to 0. That means that is possible and reversible engine. That is possible and reversible engine. Reversible engine. And third is that if cyclic integral of del q by t greater than 0, basically this is impossible. This is impossible. So in that way you find out the engine is possible or impossible. The cycle is possible or impossible. In this way you can find out. Okay, thank you. This is the Clausius inequality. Okay, thank you.